Hello everybody, Benny Friedman here. Something very, very special is happening soon. I'm talking, of course, about the Siyum HaRambam. And this year it is going to be something very special, completely different from any other one that we've done in the past. We will be celebrating by uniting together from your house, from your camp, or from your school, via live stream from across the entire world. Achdus is what the Rebbe wanted to create through our learning Rambam together. So just imagine how much nachas this will give the Rebbe. Save the date and join this very exciting kid-friendly program, which will take place Be'ezrat Hashem Thursday, 𝗧𝗺𝗺𝘂𝘇. I will be there, and I'm hoping that you will be there too, together with your entire family and all your friends. Be sure to order your pre-Siyum kit. Very important. If you haven't done that yet, do that. And get excited and spread the word. L'chaim.
So celebrate the Siyum HaRambam Rebbe. Look and see your vision is reality, bringing us closer, reaching our dream of dreams when we'll be united for eternity. Bringing us closer, reaching our dream of dreams when we'll be united for eternity.